Nigerian lawyers under the auspices of Nigerian Bar Association Ijebu Ode branch has arranged 4 individuals alleged of impersonation through illegal preparation of land documents for innocent people. Anthony Gandono, who witnessed the arrangement at Magistrate Court Ijebu Ode, reports that the accused, however, pleaded not guilty to the 10-count charge. His report.
Appearing before Magistrate David Odunsi of Magistrate Court 2 Ijebu Ode were members of NBA Ijebu Ode branch, led by the branch vice chairman Damilare Shosanya Esquire, as they approached the court with 10-count charge against 4 individuals bordering on impersonation and misrepresentation. The defendants explained further that effort of the remuneration committee constituted by the branch to sanitize the society from illegal production of land documents in collaboration with security agents paved the way for the arrest and prosecution of the 4 accused persons who have been duping the innocent public. After reading the charges by the court official, the accused persons, Mrs. Rafiu Shakirat, Mrs. Omolabi Nosirat, Mr. Tola Salam, and Mr. Jamiu Sanusi, pleaded not guilty. The presiding magistrate, David Odunsi, pronounced the bail for the 2 female accused to the tune of 1.5 million naira with 2 sureties in the like sum, as well as 1 million naira with 2 sureties in the like sum for the 2 males. Magistrate Odunsi also ordered that the accused be remanded at the facility of the Nigerian Correctional Service Center, Ijebu Ode, until their bail conditions are met. Shortly after the hearing, representatives of Ijebu Ode branch of the NBA, led by its vice chairman Damilare Shosanya Esquire, addressed the press.
It is illegal for anyone to prepare any land instruments, anything that has to do with land, if you are not a legal practitioner. As a matter of fact, a lot of people in the society are not even aware of this fact, that no one is permitted to prepare anything that has to do with land without being called to the bar.
Chairman and the secretary of the committee also sent stern warning to the members of the public to desist from engaging quack in preparation of their land documents and sworn affidavits.
Something happened one day. One of them was called by the lawyer that, why did you prepare this? And the person was telling him that, is there any constitution that says I should not prepare an agreement? I will now say, let's start with this. So that probably he has another law that is different from the one we have. So that is the reason why we now say, okay, let's involve the police. And then we got all of them, and that's why they brought them to court this morning.
Now, these people have been arraigned in court this morning. That's not the end of the case. We are coming back to try and prosecute this matter and then send a message to the public. It does not help anybody to spend your money to buy spend so much money to buy a land, and then you go ahead because you don't want to pay 10% of that value you bought the land with, and then you go ahead to secure the service of a non-lawyer to prepare an agreement that is just a worthless paper. Because once that lawyer seal is not on that document, it is a worthless paper. You cannot use it in court. It cannot be valid for any purpose.
The case was thereafter adjourned to the 22nd of May 2026 for trial. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.